If you use Windows PC and you are finding it difficult to view some of images or photos on your Windows PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to change your default photo viewers on your Windows PC. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, right click on your start menu, and then go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to apps. Then under the apps, make sure you go to default apps. Then from default apps right here, scroll down into photo viewer. Click on choose a default app. And this is going to pop up. You have the right option to open a photos on your Windows PC. So I'm going to select photos right here. So once you choose default, and this simply means that each time you want to view any photo on your Windows PC, it becomes very much easier and the photo is going to be fully open without any stress. As you can see right here, we have chosen the photo viewer as our default app on our Windows PC. And this is how to simply change or default of your photo viewer, or how you fix the problem of inadequate to view or view your photo on your Windows PC. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.